morning, fam. Good morning. Look at this guy. Still sleeping that bum away. I've just gotten up. I'm about to get ready for church. I'm wearing Aussie's beanie that I bought him last night. It's so cute. Hello, puppy. Hello, little Abby. Ooh. Hi, Abby. Are you watching ABC Kids? Are you watching ABC Kids? I am having cabriata with scrambled eggs and Florentine and spinach. I just woke up. I know, I woke up like this. We're about to go to church, but I just gotta eat my breakfast first. What is Aussie doing? What is this egg doing? You better sit down properly on that chair. So I'm gonna eat this. Y'all gonna eat it with me. Y'all wanna have breakfast with me? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, it's Falco. Mom, it's Falco. Look how yummy my breakfast looks. I'm gonna take a snap of it. I am gonna take a snap of it. And I just took a snap of it, so add us on Snapchat. And look, I know we haven't been uploading lately, and I just want to apologize about that. And I know some of you are maybe pissed off. Some of you are like, oh, don't worry about Siaosi and Victoria. Unsubscribe because of their inconsistency. But please, yo, stay with us, fam. Okay? Don't leave us out in the blue like that. But I am so excited to eat this. I burnt the toast a little bit on one end, but it's okay.
Ya, si kau fang aku paun me ai di cover dia aku mana wala.
No, it's too cold outside. No.
Wai wo ila paun me. Ya ro cover dia ko dua. Hi guys. Ya. Si kau mau roll aku paun me ai di cover dia aku me mana wala. Singa malulu ke do kayau. Ya. It's too cold.
And well, all the time that you haven't seen us, we've been really boring. There's not much to tell you guys. What have we been doing?
Hi guys. We going to jet right now, but I know you're gonna miss us. But don't worry, no worries.
And I've got a big announcement to make to you guys, which I can't tell you until 2 weeks time. But I got a surprise.
What?
Well, it's not a surprise for you guys, but it's a surprise for me, and it means so much to me. And I'm sure everyone will be so happy for me and delighted and excited. And no, I'm not pregnant and I'm not having a baby. we just feel like Siaosi and I had to talk about it, like about kids and all of that, and we just came to the conclusion, I just don't think that I'm ready yet. I don't think both of us are ready yet. Like, there's still so much progress that I want to make in my life before we bring a child into this world. I want to focus on my career at the moment, in my workplace, and try and get a little bit higher up in my career. And also my health. I'm not where I want to be at the moment with my health, and I know that it's probably possible to bring a baby in this world and still do all the rest, but it's just our choice, and it's not a priority right now for us because we have other priorities. And I have so many nephews at the moment that just keep me on my feet as if they're on my own children, and I love them like they're my own children. So I mean, the time will come where I will want to be a mother and we will want kids, but now is not the time. Isn't that right, honey?
Not really.
What? Are you agreeing with me or disagreeing?
I'm agreeing.
Yeah.
Not yet. More things to do.
Siaosi needs to progress in his own career before we can do that, and we would like to buy our own house before we start having kids. Alright, we just finished church. And we just finished church, and we just finished church, and we just finished church. How did you like it?
Either.
The service.
I like it because I want to pray to God. Thanks for His protection.
Yes. On Facebook. I'm just joking. You can't even see us.
Because it's, yeah, that's
Now you can.
we here at the mall. Come to have some food for lunch because after church we didn't have food, but we come here to the mall. It's easy, no more work, just sit down straight and wait for the food. I'm the one, yeah. Hello guys, you see me now?
Oh, I just got back because I had to rush home because Siaosi left the damn oven on.
I lit the oven on, but don't you worry, girl. It's not gonna burn our house. We're going to find some fruits for this girl. She wrecked her puts every day. Every day. Fish no more. Huh?
Si ça va les payer.
What'd you say?
What did you disturb my video?
I said peace.
Why?
I don't know, bro. What are you filming?
I feel by myself.
You're doing a vlog?
Yeah.
You got a YouTube channel? That's hectic. What's your name, man?
Siaosi.
Alright, subscribe, bro. Subscribe to me too, man.
Okay, so a big apology about that. Siaosi just went from 0 to 100 real quick because he said he didn't like that guy. Well, Siaosi reckons he stuck his fingers up, but I don't think he did. Why did you do that, honey? Why did you get really upset? Because why?
I thought he put his hands inside always.
What kind of hand? Hey. Sorry as well, another sorry. And yeah. Just calm down, babe. Everything's okay.
Sorry guys. I'm so angry at that guy. Balangi guy. I just walked back to him, man. What do you... and hold his neck on up.
You didn't, honey. Stop lying.
Yeah. Finish making pie. Need to end the vlog, and we thank you for our subscribers and all who like our YouTube channel, and comment below. And the comment of the day is come to Willie and Boso. Hobbies are the best when you're not well. I know the fears of waiting in the waiting room. Luckily, I didn't wait 6 hours. Oh, bless you abundantly. Hope you have a quick recovery. Thank you, guys. Yes. Thank you so much. We love you so much, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.